आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, so question is given. Let the altitude from the vertex A, B and C of a triangle ABC meet its circumcircle at D, E, F respectively and Z1, Z2 and Z3. Represent the point D, E, F respectively and Z3 minus Z1 and Z2 minus Z1 is purely real, then the triangle ABC is. Just imagine that this is our triangle. The triangles, this is our A, this is B and this is C. So these are the coordinates of the triangles and vertices of a triangle, and it is saying that the Z1, Z2 and Z3 represent the point DEF, and these DEF are what? These DEF are altitude from the vertex A, B and C. Okay, now you can take that this is your from this point to this, okay, from this point to this and from this point to this. Okay, now these 3 points meets on DEF. Just imagine that this is your D, this is your E, this is your F, and these DEF are what? Z1, Z2 and Z3. This is Z1, this is Z2 and this is Z3. In question it is given that argument of Z1 and Z2 are what? Argument of Z3 minus of Z1 divided by Z2 minus of Z1 are real. If the arguments are real, means just imagine that this is your coordinate system, okay, and in this coordinate system if any points, just imagine that if any points, just imagine that this is Z and this is Z dash, okay, this is Z and Z dash. If any points are lying on the x-axis or are the real points, so angle between them will be either 0 degree or pi degree, either 0 or pi degree, because both are what? Lying on the real axis. Now from here you can conclude that now if you want to find out that value of this one is given, okay, and from this point to this point is given, means Z3 minus Z1 divided by Z2 minus Z1 as given. So from here you can see that argument of Z3 minus of Z1 divided by Z2 minus Z1 is given to us. Okay, now we will try to make understand that this, because this is what? These are the, because this is making a circumcircle, so circumcircle will be what? It will be bisector of an angle and they will bisect it at 90 degree angle, okay, and it is saying that this is what? Just imagine this is your theta, okay, this is your theta or an angle A. So from this point this will be what? 2 of A, because if any 2 points on the circles are making on another points any theta angle, so definitely they will make 2 theta angle at the center, okay. So this is what? This is a quadrilateral, so summation of this all angle will be what? 2 pi. So 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 2a plus, just imagine this is your angle D will be equal to how much? 2 pi. We can write here pi plus 2a plus of delta t equals to 2 of pi, okay. Now I can write from here delta d will be equals to how much? Pi minus of 2 of A. So from here we can find out this will be what? Pi minus of 2 of A. Okay, now this pi minus of 2 of A will be equals to how much? We are getting this angle is equals to what? Pi minus of 2 of A. And from here we can conclude that this is equals to what? 0 or pi. Now this pi minus of 2A equals to 0, or this pi minus of 2A will be equals to pi. From here we can conclude that A will be equals to how much? Pi divided by 2. From here A will be equals to 0. So this is not possible because this is what? Circle and a triangle. Not a single side or angle must be 0 degree. So this is the possible. So we are getting that this angle is pi by 2. If any angle of any triangle is pi by 2, then this is called right angle triangle. So answer of this question will be right angle triangle. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।